In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a file in Dropbox. Dropbox makes it easy to send a file without attaching it directly to a message. Instead, you can create a shareable link and send that link through your preferred messaging app or email. This is often the simplest method because it's fast, convenient, and works well even for larger files. To get started, open Dropbox on your device. You can do this in your web browser or in the Dropbox app, depending on how you normally use it. Once Dropbox is open, log into your account if you're not already signed in. Make sure you're using the correct account so you can access the file you want to send. After you're inside Dropbox, go to the All Files section. This is where you can browse through the files stored in your account. Take a moment to locate the specific file you want to send. If you have a lot of files, it may help to carefully scan the file names so you choose the correct one before sharing it. When you've found the file, click the Share option next to it. Dropbox will then give you sharing choices. From there, click Create Link if a link hasn't been made yet, or click Copy Link if one is already available. This generates a shareable link connected to that file, which is what you'll send to the other person. Once the link has been copied, you're ready to send the file. Paste the link into the app or platform you want to use, such as Messenger, WhatsApp, or an email. This gives you flexibility since you can share the file in whatever way is most convenient for you and the person receiving it. When the receiver gets your message, they simply click the link to access the file. That means they don't need the file physically attached to the message, and it can make file sharing much smoother, especially when sending something quickly. As a helpful tip before sending the link, it's a good idea to double check that you selected the right file. That small step can save time and prevent confusion for the person receiving it. Also, if Dropbox shows you different sharing options, just stick with the link sharing method shown here, since it's the easiest approach for most situations. And that's all it takes to send a file in Dropbox using a share link. Once you've done it once, the process becomes very quick and easy to repeat whenever you need to share another file.